Hello, my name is Omar Abasad. It's 2:39 p.m., June 17, 2019. So I'm going to show you today's tagging. And the air is hurting. The jaw, the obliques. The back of the neck, the head, on and off, the face, the nostrils. So I'm going to take the blood pressure, have my cuffs on here, and I'm going to show you the interesting. I just had rechargeable batteries put in yesterday, and it's dead. I was going to show you the increase in power, so that's going to have to wait for a little bit. I'll do that another time. But you can see by the brightness of the alarm, just got a pulse of pain right here. By the brightness of the alarm, um, how high the power is. You can also see that it's on and off, and I'm being pulsed intermittently in various parts of the body. The levels, the intensity, the power of the pulses varies. The spots changes, the spots in the body that's affected, and the power itself is turned off and on. So I'm going to take a guess and say that more than one person is doing this. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the blood pressure readings for the last little while. So this is the 17th at 2:41. So I just took it, 2:36, 12:41, and the 17th, that's today, 12:12, 10:14, and that was just after 12 a.m., 04 a.m., 6:25 on the 16th of June, p.m., 6:11, 6:08. And these are all in sitting positions. 6:03, 6:02, 5:59, 5:57, 5:55 p.m., 5:53. So let me just go back a little bit there and show you the ones at so that's the 15th. I'm actually looking for, bear with me here, for the 15th. Okay, so that's 5:57. Let's do the 16th instead. So that's 5:57 yesterday evening, 5:55, 5:53, and that's 2:02. So the 5:53 is me coming in from the grocery store. And if you notice that huge jump in heart rate and decrease in blood pressure, that was a huge heart palpitation. And this occurred because I was totally stressed out. I was harassed in the grocery store. I tweeted about it. And I was being pulsed. I also had a YouTube video about this. So that was the 16th. So notice the high heart rate. So this was before I went out yesterday. So I went out for about an hour and a half. So before I went out, this was the heart rate. Just look at the heart rate. Fairly normal, stable. And the pressure was lower than the normal 120/80. So, but it's still within normal range. So that was the 16th. So this is the 15th. And this is the 14th. 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 And it starts back at the top. It just stores 30 readings. So again, so this is today. See, at 12:40 it was normal. This is yesterday, after I went out and came back in. Notice the heart rate. And I was pulsed repeatedly in the store. Palpitations. That's an indication of a palpitation right there. Heart rate. Notice the very high heart rate. And that is the 16th before I went out. The heart rate is normal. So there is a definite correlation between the signals, the stress that it causes, and also the stress that's caused by being stalked, mobbed, and verbally harassed in the area. Causes palpitations. As far as the temperature goes, I don't feel very hot because the pulses are on and off. 37.2. 36.4, 36.5, 36.4. So immediate decrease. 37.5, 37.8 is a fever. 37.4, 37.2, 37.1, 36.9, 36.8, 36.7, 36.7. So consistent findings, sudden increase and decrease in temperature, sudden increase and decrease in blood pressure, sudden increase and decrease in, well, the heart rate seemed to take a little longer to decrease back to normal. So I shouldn't be saying sudden for the heart rate. But there is a huge jump in the heart rate when the power is turned up. Palpitations, when the power is turned up, I do get palpitations as indicated by those numbers.